Sky stone, stone of the heavens, the stone of the pharaohs. With its extensive and storied history, turquoise is renowned the world over for its vibrant color and symbolic value. Travel back in time with us as we explore this stone's rich cultural roots. Thought by several Native American tribes to be the tears of the Creator, turquoise is formed when rain and groundwater cause minerals to leach out of surrounding rock and form stone deposits. Vivid blue turquoise is a result of high copper content, while softer green tones result from iron. This gem can be found across the world, including the United States, Mexico, Iran, northern Chile, and China. The Nishapur district of Iran has been mining turquoise for over 1,000 years. The name is thought to originate from the French phrase for Turkish stone, due to its arrival in Europe from Turkish sources in the 13th century. Turquoise is the first known gemstone to be used by man in recorded history. Ancient Egyptian leaders wore the stone often. King Tutankhamun's death mask was inlaid with this blue stone. The tomb of Jur, a pharaoh who ruled sometime around 5500 BCE, was discovered to contain turquoise bracelets. Beads dating from 5000 BCE were discovered in Mesopotamia. Chinese craftsmen carved turquoise into talismans and other creations over 3,000 years ago. The Aztecs valued turquoise more than gold and emerald. They made offerings of it to the goddess of fertility and protection and buried chiefs with fragments of it in their mouths. It served as a symbol of distinction, often worn on the wrist with bracelets. This stone also has a long history in the American Southwest. Many Native American tribes valued the blue-green hues of this gem, including the Apache, Navajo, Zuni, Hopi, and Pueblo. Each tribe has legends and folklore that hold it in high regard. Turquoise is still used for jewelry and decor and is a popular choice for wedding rings in Russia. It is also one of the birthstones for December and is the unofficial gift for the 11th wedding anniversary. Imbue your designs with the tranquil beauty and rich symbolism of the world's favorite gemstone. Give your customers a chance to feel as luxurious as a pharaoh or as revered as a chieftain, with turquoise jewelry made from components found at Fire Mountain Gems and Beads.